Yarshan,
Yes.
what are you thinking?
Thinking of Pakistani Seekh Kabobs.
Pakistani Seekh Kabobs.
Yeah, I kind of want to barbecue something today.
So you wanna make Pakistani Seekh Kabobs?
Yeah, I mean, I'm gonna be making it.
Okay.
Someone's gonna be doing the marinade because I don't know how to do it.
Do we have ingredients?
That's a good question. Maybe we should go check.
Go.
Woo. Looks like we got keema. The basis to make our Pakistani Seekh Kabobs.
Alright.
Alright, now that we got our beef out, we're gonna blend the onions now. Alright, we just blended up onions and jalapenos, turned them into a puree. Now we're gonna incorporate this into our beef. Now we're gonna do the marination house blend special of these spices.
Go. Done. Okay.
Alright, now we're gonna knead everything into the meat. You know what? Forget this. We don't actually need this. Oh my.
And one. Howie.
Yep.
Make sense?
Yeah, looks like we got everything incorporated inside. It's coming together.
Hardworking.
Yeah, and then we're gonna need skewers soon, and then we should be good to go for barbecue.
Alrighty. Seems pretty good.
Alright, so now we're gonna skewer the meat. It's been marinating for about 2 or 3 hours now, so now it's at peak condition to start marinating now, or putting on the skewer.
Alrighty. What's happening?
Warming up the coals.
Warming of a coals.
That's why.
Smells good?
Oh yeah.
Don't burn my kebabs, boy.
We should check one of them on.
Kama, कैसे बने?
अच्छे बने।
अच्छे, जबरदस्त. चलिए. Moment of truth. How was it?
It melts in my mouth like butter.
Butter? How's the kebab?
Like a restaurant style.
Okay. Go. All right, Yashan.
Mm-hmm.
Take a shot of this. Okay, you're too close.
Pretty!
And now, moment of truth. If it's not good, you're gonna get thapad.
What?
All right. Bismillah. Bismillah.
Wait. Let's get a good shot on this. Alright.
Bismillah.
It melts, huh? And melts. Like